Karma Guy here. Check out this 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E63 AMG sedan with one owner, clean Carfax, and only 66,000 miles. It comes with dealer service history, recent service valued at over $475, including a pre-delivery inspection, cabin air filter, and fresh oil and filter change, plus up-to-date emissions and original books. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle is backed by our Quality Plus warranty of 3 months or 3,000 miles and a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price at the time of sale, along with the option to upgrade to a lifetime warranty. We also provide recent computer scans, showing a clean bill of health with no trouble codes and no dash lights. This car is ready to roll. Pre-purchase inspections are encouraged, but please note that price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.